Okay. So in this video I'm going to solve question 7 of ICSE Computer Applications 2019 question paper. So question 7 says design a class to overload a function series as follows. Okay. So void series int xn to display the sum of the series given below. Okay. Void series int p to display the sum of the series as p terms. Okay. And then void series to display the sum of the series given below 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. Design a class to overload. So the name of the class is not mentioned, but they have mentioned the three functions that you need to overload. Okay, so class series. Okay, and the first function to overload. So I'm going to follow my usual strategy. I'm going to write it on a text editor first, and then make sure that I have not made any syntactical errors, and then I'm going to write it on a Java file. Okay. Okay. So first is a void series. So you can add add an SS specifier for this, maybe public. So I'm going to keep it simply like this because this is what the question mentions. Okay, int x and int n. Okay, and it is supposed to calculate x to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 till x to the power n terms. Okay, so the sum to be calculated, so double sum is equals to 0.0. Okay, and add the terms to the sum. Okay, for int I is equals to 1, I is less than equal to n, plus plus sum plus is equals to math dot pow x to the power of n, which is I here. Okay, so this will, for I is equals to 1, this will add x to power 1 to sum. For I is equals to 2, it will add x to power 2 to sum. Similarly till n, it will add all x to power I terms to the sum. Okay, print the sum. Okay, system dot out dot print ln sum of x to the power 1 plus, or maybe x to the power 1 plus x to the power 2 plus dot 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 plus x to the power n for x is equals to plus x plus and n is equals to plus n plus n is equals to is plus plus sum. Okay, so sum of x1 x2 to the power this for x equals to this and n equals to this is sum. Okay, and I'm going to the next method int p, it was right, int p. So the first term is 0, the next term is 7, and the term after this is 26. So 0, 7, and when you subtract 26 from 7, it is 7, 19, and then you have 63. Okay, so okay. So if you observe, so 63 plus 1 is 64, 26 plus 1 is 27, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is basically ith cube minus 1. Okay, so for first term you get 1 cube minus 1, for second term you get 2 cube minus 1, similarly 3 cube minus 1 and 4 cube minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to add in this series. So for p terms, okay, so for equals to 1, I is less than equal to p I plus plus. So system dot out dot print I into I minus 1. Okay, plus space and okay, and yes, so this is the series for value of for this series. Okay, p terms. Okay, so then we have another series, void series. Okay, This takes how many parameters? This takes no parameters. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 till 1 by 10. Okay, so to store the sum, and since 1 by 2 1 by 4 are the values that are going to be double values, so double sum is equals to 0. So add all the terms. Okay, for int I is equals to 2, since we begin with 2, I is less than equal to 10, I plus plus get the term, so double term is equal to 1.0 by I. Okay, and I am dividing a double by integer value, because otherwise if I divide 1 by I would get 0. Okay, so integer division of 1 by 2 1 by 3 would all give me 0, and my sum would come out to be 0. So I'm taking this term as double, and I'm dividing 1.0, that is a double value, by I. Okay, add it to the sum. Okay, sum plus equal to term, and print the sum. So system dot out dot println sum of series 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 10 is equals to plus sum. Okay, so this is the solution. So let me just cross check it. X1 to xn. Okay, for series is equal to int x int n, double sum is equals to 0.0. The name of the class is series. The name of the class was not mentioned. It just said to design a class, so I'm just adding overloaded methods to it. And x n, okay, less than equal to n, I plus plus, sum plus equals to math dot power x to power I, x to power I, and system dot out dot println sum of x1 plus sum. Okay, and series p is less than equal to pi plus plus system. Okay, I found an error here. Okay, dot print iq minus 1 plus space. Okay, and change line system dot print. So that's why revising is very important. Okay, you do miss out on a couple of important things. And double sum is equal to 0. Okay, from 2 to 10, right? Okay, double term equals 1.0 by I, sum plus equal to term, and then okay. So let me just compile and check this. Okay, Java C question 7. Okay, no doubt, no worries here. So I'll just add a main. Okay, so class main to check. Oops, public take void main string args. Okay, create series object, and then call all the methods. Okay, series 3 to power 4, series 4, and series. Okay, so let us see what output we get. Oops, series dot series, basically my bad there, because clear. And oh, class Java main, sorry. Okay, so 0 7 26 23 for sum 2. For first it is 120, which is 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube plus 3 to power 4. So you can submit 3 plus 3 cube is 3 plus 3 square is 12 plus 27 is 39 plus 81 is 120, which is right. And then here sum of series arguments. So this was the solution, and I hope this was helpful. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.